Are you looking for a professional and trustworthy locksmith? Look no further than California Locksmith Security Solutions. Located in the heart of Anaheim, California since 2004, we've provided quality locksmith services that has earned our customers' trust. What began as two separate companies, California Keys Locksmith and All the Best Locksmith in 2010, joined forces together to create California Locksmith Security Solutions. Our technicians are fully trained, licensed, and bonded, and have all passed criminal background checks. If you need new locks for your home, auto, or business, California Locksmith Security Solutions can replace or rekey them. We specialize in a large range of locksmith services for residential, auto, and commercial jobs. Services include car key remotes, program new auto smart keys, house keys, motorcycle keys, master key systems, emergency lockout service, safe servicing, intercom and access control systems, and camera systems. With over 1,000 combined 5-star reviews on Google and Yelp, it's easy to feel comfortable calling the most trusted and most reviewed locksmith company in the Orange County area, servicing the city and suburbs. Whether you're locked out of your house or car, or you need a safe or deadbolt installed, we've got you covered. Call the most trusted experts for your security and peace of mind. Call California Locksmith Security Solutions today at 714-783-4100 or find us online at locksmithanaheim.com.